This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Install Now button grayed out on iOS 16 update page. So if you're unable to update your iOS because of the download and install option is grayed out, just follow these two solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. And the second solution is charge your iPhone up to 15%. If your iPhone charge is lower than 50%, then it could be the reason of this problem. So all you have to do is just plug in your charger, charge your iPhone up to 50%, and then you will be able to download and install your iOS version. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.